Hi, welcome to ESF. I'm sure I'm not the first person to say this to you, but we are excited that you'll be joining the ESF campus community here in just a few short months. My name is Silas Cochran, and I am serving in my second term as president of the Mighty Oak Student Assembly, which is a student government here on campus. I'm currently standing atop Sargent Mountain in Acadia National Park, where I'll be spending the summer working with Friends of Acadia as a summit steward. Back at ESF, I'm going into my senior year studying environmental education and interpretation. I'm sure that you're all excited and probably a little bit nervous to be beginning your college experience, and I don't blame you. I was in your same shoes just a few years ago, but I can assure you that we have an amazing orientation team lined up to help you from the first day you step on campus. Whether that's figuring out where your classes are, making new friends, or finding things to do around Syracuse. We also have over 40 clubs and organizations for you to get involved with, ranging from blacksmithing and woodworking, entomology, music, backpacking or hiking, and literally anything else in between. Or if you enjoy working with your peers to improve the student experience and maybe a little bit of politics, I suggest you reach out and join MOSA, or the Mighty Oak Student Assembly. As I mentioned, we're the student government on campus. We help support clubs, allocate the student activity fee, and most importantly, amplify the student voice. I hope that you're enjoying the rest of your summer, but I can't wait to see you in August as we begin the semester. Have a good one.